Hello students, good morning. Today we will do the same topic, that is approximation. We will continue that topic. So we are doing the exercise 6.4 today. So let us do that exercise. So very first question is question number 1. The first part of the question is, find the approximate value of square root of 25.3. Right? You have to find the approximate value of square root of 25.3 by using differentiation. Right? So, as you know, firstly you have to take the function fx. Fx is considered according to the question, right? So this fx is considered as root x, so that its derivative is 1 upon 2 root x. Now your next step is to break this number 25.3 into two parts. So let x is equal to 25 and delta x is equal to 0.3. Delta x is 0.3. I am breaking this as such that their sum is 25.3. Right? Now you know the formula of approximation, that is f of x plus delta x, it is equal to fx plus f dash x into delta x, right? So now we are putting all the values of this fx, f dash x, x and delta x here. So we have f of, this is 25 plus 0.3. What is f of x? This is f of 25, this is f dash 25, and this is 0.3 here, right? Now this becomes f of 25.3 here. And what is f of 25? This is root 25. What is f dash 25? That is 1 upon 2 root 25 into 0.3, right? Now what is this f of 25.3? That is under root 25.3, right? Its answer is 5. Its answer is 1 over 2 into 5 into 0.3, right? So this is on, by calculating this, we have, this is 5 to the 10, one decimal is placed towards left side, so we have 0.03, right? So when you add them, its answer is, so the approximate value of 25.3 root is equal to 5.03. Okay, now the question number 1, I am taking the third part of this question number 1. Okay, so the question is, find the approximate value of 0.6, square root of 0.6. So when we solve this approximate value, so let us take the function fx. It is a similar, that is root x. As you know, this is the square root function, so I am taking the function square root x. Now what is the derivative? F dash x is 1 upon 2 root x. Now I am breaking this function as this number as, now this is, let x is 1 and delta x is minus 0.4, because their sum is 0.6. I am breaking this, that because of that this 1 is the perfect square root, right, of 1. So again I am writing this formula f of x plus delta x is equal to fx plus f dash x into delta x. Now I am putting the values here. This is 1 minus 0.4, which is equal to f of 1 plus f dash 1 into delta x is minus 0.4, right? When we subtract them, we get f of 0.6. This is f of 1 means root of 1. This is 1 over 2 root 1. This is minus 0.4. Now this is square root of 0.6. This is 1. This is 1 over 2. So this becomes a minus of 0.2. Right? So when you subtract them, what will we get? 0.8 is the approximate value of square root 0.6. Right? Square root 0.6. Right? Now, another question. I am taking another question. The same question, part number 4. Right? So the question is, find the approximate value of 0.009 raised to the power 1 by 3. Now note this question. Its function is cube root function. So I am taking the function fx as x raised to the power 1 by 3. Similarly, its derivative is 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3, and which is written as 1 over 3 into x power 2 by 3. Right? Now let x as 0.008 and delta x is 0.001, so that their sum is 1. Their sum is 0.009. Now I am writing the formula here, f of x plus delta x, that is equal to fx plus f dash x into delta x. Now I am putting the values here. 0.008 plus 0.001, this is equal to f of 0.008. This is f dash 0.008, and this is 0.001. Right? Now this becomes 0.009 raised to the power 1 by 3, and this is 0.008. This is 0.008 raised to the power 1 by 3, and this is 1 over 3 into 0.008 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 0.001. Right? Now its value is 0.2. As you know, its perfect cube root is 0.2. Now this is, when you simplify this, 0.2 raised to the power 2. So 0.2 means 0.04. So this becomes a 0.12 after simplifying. After simplifying, we have 0.12 into 0.001. Right? So we have 0.2 here. This is, when we simplify this, this becomes this is 100 over 12. This is 1 over 1000. 2 zeros are cancelled out. So this is 1 over 120. 0.2 plus 1 upon 120. On simplification, we get the answer. Right? So on simplifying, we have 0.2 plus 1 over 120, that is 0.2 plus 0.0083, and when we add them we get the answer, that is 0.2083, right? So this is the right answer. This is the approximate value of this 0.009 raised to power 1 by 3. Now let us do one more question. The question number 1, same question, the part number 5, that is find the approximate value of 0.999 raised to the power 1 upon 10, right? As this function is 10th root, so I am taking this function fx as x raised to the power 1 by 10, right? Now the function f dash derivative is f dash x equal to 1 by 10 x power minus 9 by 10, and we can write this as 1 over 10 into x power 9 by 10, right? So now I am breaking this function, that is 10th root. Perfect 10th root is 1. So let x is 1 and delta x is minus 0.00, right, when you subtract them, okay? So 0.001 means when you subtract this from 1, this is 0.001, so we have 9 here, 9 here, 9 here, so this is the, so that their sum is 0.999, right? Now I am repeating this formula again, f of x plus delta x equal to fx plus f dash x into delta x. I am putting the values here. This becomes 0. After simplifying, this becomes f of 0.999. This is f of 0. This is f of 1 here. This is f dash 1 here, and this is minus 0.001 here. Right? This is 1. Now this becomes 0.999 raised to the power 1 by 10. It is equal to f of 1 means 1 raised to power 1 by 10 plus this is 1 over 10 into 1 raised to the power 9 by 10 and into 0.001, right? So when you simplify, this is 1, this is 1 over 10, this is same minus 0.001, right? So this becomes 1 minus 0.0001. So when you subtract them, we get 0.9999. So this is the right answer. This is the approximate value of 0.999 raised to the power 1 by 3. Right? Now, same question, next part, that is I am taking here 11th part of this question. ठीक? 11th part of this question. I am taking 11th part of this question. The question is, find the approximate value of 0.0037 raised to the power 1 by 2. As this is a square root function, so let us take fx is equal to square root of 2, or square root of 2 means power 1 by 2. So that's why its derivative is f dash x is 1 over 2 root x. Now I am breaking this as, let x is equal to 0.0036 and delta x is equal to 0.0001, right? So that their sum is this. Now I am taking that formula f of x plus delta x, that is equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x, right? So this is when you write here, this is 0.0037 and this is f of 0.0036, this is f dash 0.0036 and this is delta x, that is 0.0001, right? Now this becomes 0.0037 raised to the power 1 by 2 and this is 0.0036 raised to the power 1 by 2, and this is raised to the power 1 by 2 means square root of x, that is square root, and this is again this is 1 over 2 into 0.0036 raised to the power 1 by 2, and this is same as it is, this is 0001. So when you simplify this, this becomes 0.06 because its perfect square root is 0.06, and this is 1 over 2 into 0.06 into 0.0001, right? So when you simplify this, we get 0.06 plus this is 12, so this is 100 over 12, and this is 1 over 10,000, right? 10,000. So two zeros will be cancelled out, so we had 1 over 1200, right? This is 0.06. So on simplifying, we get the answer here. This is equal to, so this is equal to 0.06 plus this is a 0.0008, right? 3. So its answer is, when we add them, its answer is 06083. So this is the right answer. I think this is the right answer. Actually, always remember 3 things. Firstly, you have to take this function fx, how to take that function, find the derivative, and break these this number as x and delta x, right? And always remember this formula, right? This formula, then you can solve this type of questions. Okay, now I'm taking one more question here to solve approximate value of this 14th part of the first question, that is 3.968 raised to the power 3 by 2. So I am taking again this, as you see this is power 3 by 2. So I am taking the function fx is equal to x power 3 by 2, and its derivative is 3 by 2 x power 3 1 by 2, and I am breaking this 3.968 such that we have one perfect square root. So let x is equal to, it is near to the 4, right? So that's why I am breaking this x equal to 4 and delta x equal to minus 0.032. So again I am using that formula, same formula, f of x plus delta x, it is equal to fx plus f dash x into delta x, right? Now I am putting all the values of x and delta x here, we get this. So as you see, this is 4 power 3 by 2, this is 3 by 2, 4 power 1 by 2 into this, right? I am putting all the values, I have put all the values here. Now its answer is 8. As you know, 4 raised to power 3 by 2, that is 8, and this is plus 3 by 2, 4 raised to power 1 by 2 is 2, this 2 is cancelled out, so, and this is same as it is. So when you simplify this, we have this result. So this is the right answer, right? So this is the approximate value of this 3.968 raised to power 3 by 2, right? Now, okay students, so there are so many questions in NCERT exercise 6.4. So you can try at your home. If there is any problem, then comment it, right? Then we will discuss it in next lecture, right? So I hope you understand this topic. Now one more question, I am taking one more question of this exercise that is question number 4, that is find the approximate change in the surface area of a cube of side x meters caused by decreasing the side by 1%. So let us solve this question. As you know, you have to find the approximate change in surface area of cube, right? So as you know, let the surface area, what is the surface area of cube? We are talking about a total surface area of cube, right? So we have taken 6x square. You know this, right? Now, next it is of side x meter caused by decreasing the side by 1%. Means you have to find the value, the rate of change of s, right? So this is decreased by, means this is decreased by 1%. Clear? So let us differentiate it firstly. It is ds by dx. Its differentiation is 12x. As it is mentioned that it is decreased, so it is given that delta x is equal to minus 1% of x, minus 1% of x, right? So you have to put delta x equal to this. It is given in the question. It is decreased by 1%. This x is decreased by 1%. So as you know, you have to find delta s here. Delta s can be approximately written as ds by dx into delta x, right? Now put the value of ds by dx. It is so it is 12x, and the value of delta x is minus 1 over 100 into x, right? So this is equal to, this is 12 minus 12 upon 100 x square, right? So its surface area, it is decreased, that is because of this negative sign. So this is the right answer. This is meter square. This is meter square, right? So this is the approximate change in surface area. So this is the right answer. So you can write this as minus 0.12 x square meter square, right? Meter square. So this is the right answer. So this is the approximate value. So thank you. This is all about approximation, right?